We'll guide you through how to use Claude in Chrome with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Chrome browser and make sure it's updated to the latest version. This ensures you have all the latest security features and compatibility updates. Now, go to the Chrome Web Store by typing Chrome Web Store into the address bar and hitting Enter. Once you're on the Web Store, look for the search bar in the top left corner and type in Claude extension to find the correct tool. Click on the correct extension from the search results, then click the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for permissions, so you need to click Add Extension to confirm. Once it's installed, you'll see the Claude icon appear in your extensions bar, which is located to the right of the address bar. Click on this icon to open Claude. You might need to sign in or create an account if this is your first time using it. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in. Once logged in, Claude is ready to assist you. You can use it for a variety of tasks like drafting emails, generating ideas, or improving your writing. Simply click on the Claude icon at any time while browsing to bring up the interface. From there, you can type in your request or question and get instant assistance. Remember that Claude is designed to be intuitive, so don't hesitate to explore its features. If you ever need to adjust settings, just right-click on the Claude icon and select Options to personalize your experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.